Hey guys, Angel Medina here. Thank you so much for watching this video. So on today's video, I'm going to be going over how property taxes work. So if you're new here, I would ask you to please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you notice next to the subscribe button, there's a little bell. Go ahead and hit that bell. And what that does, it notifies you anytime I upload any new videos. That way you'll be in the know. So again, on today's video, if you already own and you have property taxes, it's really important to know how the property taxes work. So that way, if you get a bill in the mail and all of a sudden your mortgage payment goes higher, you don't think that it has to do with your mortgage company, raising your payments and you being confused as to why your payments are going higher. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over your property taxes and exactly how they work. Thank you so much. I look forward to helping you if you guys have any questions in the future. And like I said, if you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you so much. Okay, so on today's video, I'm going to be going over property taxes and exactly why it is important that you know exactly how they work. The reason property taxes are important is because a lot of times I get clients who tell me, I don't know why my monthly payment went higher. I'm mad at the mortgage company because they told me it was a fixed payment and they went ahead and raised my payment. Well, you have to understand, with the market nowadays, your house values are going higher. So what happens is if you have an impound account, what that means is you have an account where you pay your mortgage payment, which is the principal and the interest, but you also have your property taxes and your homeowners insurance that are included in your account. What happens is as your value starts to go higher, what you'll notice is that houses around you are going higher. And we have what's called the tax assessors, where they look at the overall values of the houses. And if they start to go higher, they raise your property taxes on a yearly basis. So what happens is you'll be notified that your taxes are going to possibly be going higher, which means that your payment are going to be going higher as well. Now, it's not the principal and interest payment that are going to be going up. It is the property taxes on your escrow account. So for example, if you're paying a principal and interest payment right now and you have an escrow account of, let's say, $400, and you start to notice that, the tax assessors send you a notice that your, taxes are going to be going higher, and then you then get notified from your mortgage company that your payments are going up, I would recommend to give them a call and to make sure that you find out exactly what you need to do to straighten that out. Because a lot of times, if you don't straighten that out with your mortgage company, you're going to end up noticing that you're in the negative if you don't have enough for your property taxes to be covered through your escrow account. And you'll end up owing more money and you'll wonder why. So as long as you understand that, as your house values go up, it's not a bad thing that your taxes are going higher. Overall, it's something for you to know that the value of your home is going higher within your area, which that's what you want. You want your house value to go higher. So if you do notice that you start to get a higher payment, just understand that it has to do with your tax assessor assessing your home, and the reason being that your property taxes are going higher is because houses around you are going higher as well. So they raise your property taxes, which overall raise your overall escrow account and your overall payment. Now, one of the things you need to focus on as well as your property taxes is also focus on your homeowners insurance. If right now you're noticing that your property taxes have gone higher, then one of the things you can do to offset that to get it back down is to look at your homeowner's insurance. So if you start to notice that your property taxes and your homeowner's insurance are going higher because of your property taxes, but you start to notice that your homeowner's insurance, I would say, is above $600 a year or even $500 a year, let's say it's at $700 or $650, I would recommend to go and look with other agents, insurance agents, to try to see if you can lower your your annual homeowner's insurance. What that's going to do is it could offset your payment to go back lower from your escrow account. So let's say that you get it from $800 down to $600, that will dramatically lower your escrow account. Not dramatically, but it will lower it to where it could offset the property taxes if they have gone higher. So again, remember with property taxes, if you start to see your mortgage payment go higher because of your property taxes, just understand that it has nothing to do with the mortgage company. It has to do with your home value going higher, which is not always a bad thing. So that, in itself could be a great thing. You just need to make sure and call your mortgage company and find out what you need to do to offset that payment and what you need to do to make sure that you don't end up owing more at the end of the year or owing more when you're trying to do something else such as refinance your home. So again, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I just wanted to go over briefly how property taxes work and what to look out for. And if you're new to my channel, I would ask you to please consider subscribing. And if you notice next to the subscribe button, there is a little bell. Go ahead and hit that bell. And what that does, it notifies you anytime I upload any new videos. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Angel Medina, your lifelong mortgage advisor. Thank you.